Good morning, guys! Nandito na ako. Yes, nandito na ako. Balik. Australia na tayo. Pagdating namin dito kahapon, yeah, sobrang natulog kami. I edited 2 videos, tapos natulog ako in between editing, and then I uploaded a video. I have a problem with my nakakainis. Kasi nandito yung favorites video ko na finilm ko. After ko finilm yung makeup look ko, yung holiday makeup na si Dan, yung gumawa ng voiceover, nandito. Sayang yung clip kasi naka-makeup ako. Gusto ko yung clip na yun. And, yeah, nandito siya. Hindi ko siya magamit. Hindi na-detect ng computer. Nagamit ko na siya. Na-try ko na siya sa computer ni Dan, sa laptop ko. Ayaw. And meron din, sobrang sweet na Dan kasi nag-research talaga siya kagabi. Matagal kasi siya natulog kasi when I was editing, natulog siya and mahaba yung tulog niya. So, matagal siya natulog kagabi. Pagising ko sa umaga, pag-open ko sa laptop niya kasi I have been using his Slappy editing. Pag-open ko sa laptop niya, meron talagang lumabas na window na kung paano i-fix tong ganito. Yeah, sobrang sweet niya. Hindi ko na siya ma-recover. Like, ang daming videos. Nandito lahat ng mga extra videos ko. Hindi ko na siya ma-recover. Wala. Sobrang gulo pa ng bahay kasi ayoko pang i-unpack lahat. Like, na-unpack ko na yung isang luggage ko. Nandun kasi lahat ng mga duming damit. So, we did the laundry yesterday and okay na yung laundry. Yung mga gamit lang na gusto kong i-haul, like yung mga stuff from the Visoria. And then, I arrived na sobrang daming, hindi naman sobra, pero yeah, madaming mga stuff na dumating while I was gone. So, nandito sila lahat. Look at this mess, you guys. Kailangan kong i-film yung mga yan. So, nasegregate ko na siya kahapon. Tinanggal ko na din yung mga plastic kahapon. And I think that's 4 videos in total, including the Divisoria stuff. Pupunta kami ng Kmart! Parang ako hindi naligo, pero naligo ako, I swear to God. Kasi meron nagsasabi, lagi ka lumalabas ang bahay, hindi ka naligo. Naliligo po ako araw-araw, minsan nga 2 beses pa sa isang araw. Pupunta kami ng Kmart, bibili kami ng, ilaw ni Dan. Kasi yung ilaw ng kanyang closet, ng aming closet, is na yung pundido? Pundido ba? Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? Pundido na yung dalawa. So, yeah. Papabili ko sa kanya yung daylight, yung hindi yellow. Kasi ito yellow to eh. Papabili ko, hindi yellow, para ipalit ko. Para malagyan ko na hindi yellow yung nasa filming room ko. Kasi yellow yun eh. And I tend to look like really yellow kapag nag-film ako. By the way, I'm using a maliit na tripod na bigay sa akin ni Roslyn Kerr. Thank you, Roslyn. First time ko siya gamitin. Hindi kasi ako nagta-tripod eh. Kaya siguro shaky yung, you look so guapo, babe. Is that what Karen gave you?
Yep.
Yeah? You look so good! Kerwin is wearing it. Ganda diba? Yun yung bigay ni Kerwin. Did you say thank you, babe?
Thank you, Kerwin.
Let's go. Do I need money?
No.
I don't have money anyway. Just kidding. Let's go.
Glasses he brought me, actually, I really like them.
Yeah, it looks really good.
They feel good as well.
The glasses?
Yeah.
Thank you, Kerwin. Gusto niya yung glasses. Ooh, they're parking the car in the parking spot. Perfect.
Good.
Meron kaming kapitbahay. Tapos noon, pinapark nila sa driveway. Not driveway, dito sa labas, sa road, yung sasakyan nila. Tapos laging nakaharang sa driveway ni Dan. So ngayon, pinark na talaga nila sa loob ng bahay nila, which is good. And I miss this car, babe! Oh, seatbelt. Sorry naman. We're here sa Sushi Dome. Kain muna kami. Sushi Dome at Furley? Furl. Yeah, and then yung akin is teriyaki chicken. Kay Dan is salmon ata yung kay Dan at saka prawns or squid. Basta. Tatlo. Dito na kami kakain. Meron akong iced tea, peach iced tea. Bakit ngayon ko lang naisipan gumamit ng tripod?
That's good, isn't it?
Tagal na, yeah. Did you hear what I said? Did you understand?
Nope.
What do you think I said?
It's a good tripod.
It's a good tripod. I said, why didn't I think of this before? I have this tripod for a really long time now. Dang, mate. Meron akong sa isas na malait. Kain na kami, guys. The squid?
Yeah.
Squid pala yung ano niya, kinuha niya kanina. Nandito pala kami sa labas. Doon sana kami sa loob. Pero ang ganda kasi ng weather. So, nandito kami sa labas. Kain tayo! Sushi!
It's good sushi. Tastes nice actually.
Yeah?
Yep.
Look at Jeep on fleek yung ano niya. Cute! Dito kami sa Priceline. Naghahanap ako ng epilator kasi yung epilator na binili ko walang kakwenta-kwenta. Nakakainis.
How much did you pay? 2,000 was it? Or?
Yeah, 2,200 with 3 heads.
Okay, so it was about $80 roughly.
80? Okay, so dito
Yeah,
ang mamahal
80,
guys.
85.
Tingnan nyo naman iyan. 300.
What's this one?
250. 219. 139 for this one. Silk epilator.
That's this one here.
Uwi na kami! I will film, I think. Oh yeah, kailangan ko pa pala. No, hindi pa. I will try and film para ano na namin, hindi pa pala kami pauwi. I said we're going home. We're going to Kmart pala. Pero we got this. Siya nagbayad po, babayaran ko siya mamaya kasi hindi ako nagdala ng pera. Sabi niya kasi huwag ka magdala ng pera. Pero yeah, ito yung hinahanap ko na curler. Ano siya, models prefer na brand. And gusto ko siya kasi rose gold. Nakita ko to sa post ni ni XOXO sa Instagram. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Pero yeah, taga dito siya sa Australia. Hindi siya taga Adelaide. Pero yeah, somewhere here. I think she's in Melbourne. If I remember it right. That girl. XOXO. I forgot her name. Sorry. Pero yeah. She got this. She posted it on Instagram. And nung pinost niya to, naka-sale. Ngayon hindi siya naka-sale. $20 lang din naman. So, okay lang. Mura na din siya. I will try it today. Ako may time. I-curl ko yung buhok ko. So, nandito na kami sa, oops, bumpy. Dito na kami sa Kmart. Nakikita nyo ba yung Kmart? Kerwin, sobrang nagustuhan niya yung yung sunnies na binigay mo. Lagi sinasabi gustong-gusto niya. Di ba, babe?
Sorry?
You like the sunnies so much?
Love the sunnies.
He loves it. Thank you, Kerwin. Good job. 50 cents na lang yung mga nila. Nandito na kami sa Kmart. Ito, 50 cents na lang. 10 cents. Hala, look it.
Like 25 cents.
50 cents for that house. I like that. Hala! Does it light up?
Yeah, 8 LED star dropper, 25 cents.
Let's buy it. Show him, babe.
Batteries go there.
This is na lang, 25 cents. Halang mura lang. And then itong house na maliit, 50 cents lang. Ang perfect nito ipadala sa sa box. Yung LBC. Balikbayan, di ba? Grabe guys. Tingnan nyo, 50 cents na lang. Ito, 50 cents na lang. Grabe. Ito, ang dami. 50 cents lang. Ang dami pagkain. Wait, may pakita ko sa inyo. Tignan nyo to si Snowball, $2.25. Ito, 10 cents. Oh, ang ganda diba mamili? Kaya lang, ano na magagawin namin dito? Hala! It's cute.
Bad.
No, it's because the traffic is so bad there. They don't notice.
Show them the traffic in Adelaide.
Oh yeah, guys. Ito yung traffic dito. Ito yung nire-reklamo niya na traffic daw. Ito. Traffic, Grabe ka traffic.
Look at all the traffic over there.
Right there, traffic.
Lots of traffic.
Lots of traffic. And please mind, it's red as well. So, see?
Yeah.
Traffic. This is your traffic.
There's no traffic. Zero traffic.
Hi, I'm wearing this top that I got from Zaful. And kailangan ko pa siyang i-haul. Pero, yeah, and then I'm wearing jeans na I got from Target. It's actually from the kids section, the jeans. I like it. And then sandals.
They're from Divisoria.
Divisoria. Outside Divisoria. Recto.
How much?
70 pesos. $2 for these. Love it. And then I'm using this bag. This is from the Kardashian collection. You actually got it for me. Do you remember?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, of course. This is the most expensive thing you got from me, babe.
Bullshit.
$40.
Check your finger.
Oh, check your finger, biatch. Yup. And then the necklace is from Kim's Collections 2015. Thank you, Kimmy.
Thank you, Kim.
Again.
Thank you, Kim.
Very bumpy, guys. Sorry naman. Pero ito is from Kim. I know. Roslyn got me one.
Did she?
Yeah, Roslyn got me the yung ano, Roslyn, yung ano, yun, car mount. She got me one, babe. Well, I don't have it yet.
Oh, she bought you one?
She bought me one, yeah. I don't have it yet. But, yeah, I don't have any lipstick on kasi yung lips ko sobrang nagcha-chap.
Nice motorbikes.
I don't like the motorbike.
Yeah.
No, that looks weird, babe, a motorbike.
They look cool.
No, I don't like the very high wheel. No, I don't.
Handlebars.
Wheel, the what do you call that?
Handlebar. Oh,
handle. Yeah, I don't like it. You look like yeah, like that. What? Yeah. Wala akong lipstick kasi sobrang nag-chap yung lips ko, and I still use my Guerlain. Maybe because I stopped using it for a while kasi nga naiwan ko siya nung nagpunta kami ng Shangri-La. And yeah, I have my Poco ointment right now and it's feeling way better. Pero di ko na lang nilagyan ng lipstick kasi sobrang nag-chap yung lips ko. Anyway, pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. We will have dinner. Orange, babe. You made it. Good job. He's a really bad driver, this one. Punta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. After mag-dinner is, fireworks. Hello! We're home na pala. Hindi ako nag-vlog kanina. Babe, you forgot to vlog the food! Oh, you look good, guys! He's wearing the jacket that Maria sent us. It's from the Panda Crib.
I like
Las Vegas. I know!
Thank you, Maria. Thank you. Love the jumper.
Yeah.
What was the place called? Panda Crib?
The Panda Crib.
Ooh.
Ooh.
The link will be down below.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do
I wore the same jacket, not the same one, but I have mine. And I have mine, the New York one. I wore it and I loved it.
It does.
Yeah.
It's nice. I like it.
Yeah, hindi siya makapte sa loob, and hindi ako nag-wear ng shirt underneath. Like, yun lang talaga, ginawa ko siyang like parang jumper dress. And yeah, very nice na material niya.
Yeah.
Pupunta kami ngayon sa
New Year's Eve clothes.
Babe?
New Year's Eve clothes.
Oh yeah, New Year's Eve. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year!
Whoa. Look what you're wearing. You look good.
My
See?
what?
Young Jennifer Lopez again.
You look really good, babe.
Oh, thank you.
And pumunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya, diba? Ito, nadala namin. Nag-shopping kami doon. Binigyan nila ako ng thinner bite kasi ano siya, rice cracker siya. And kapag nakarinig sila ng rice, laging lang iniisip, oh, si Raz. That's hers, rice. So, ito, dalawa. And then si Dan, ito yung kinuha niya, chocolate. And then ako, ang dami nilang ganito doon eh. So, ito lang yung kinuha ko. Ano siya, sugar-coated na nuts. Meron pa siyang kulay, oh. Anyway, magpapalit lang ako ng top because it's gonna be real cold tonight. Yung plano sana namin kanina is pumunta sa mama niya and then dumiretso na sa sa fireworks. Kaya lang, hindi kinaya ni Dan yung lamig. Hindi naman as in sobrang lamig, pero alam niya na kapag mas gumabi na, magiging sobrang lamig na, hala babe, there's no lights here! The closet! Hindi kami nakabili ng bulbs kasi wala yung gusto ko, yung cool white, yung hindi yellow. Yellow kasi yung niya eh, yung bulb niya eh. Pero yeah, magpapalit lang ako ng jacket. So yes. Hello, nakahanap kami ng parking spot. Nandito na Hi, sexy. Oops. All good?
I check parking signs to make sure.
Okay. Check na yung kung magkano yung parking. I'm wearing this jacket that I got from GearBest. So, the car is locked, babe?
The car's locked.
Okay. Pupunta kami sa, where are we going to? The park? Somewhere?
We're walking across over there.
Oh.
We're just cutting across.
Nanonood kami ng fireworks. So, I'm so glad I'm wearing this because I was gonna wear my bomber jacket. And I just feel like, hindi siya thick enough. So yeah, I'm wearing this. Whew, like that. It's dark.
It is dark.
Nakikita niyo yung dami ng tao. As in, sobrang daming tao. Galing kasi sila doon sa oval. Kasi merong cricket kanina na laro. So, itong mga taong to pauwi na sila. And siguro yung iba uuwi sa mga bahay nila. Tapos yung iba, hala, there's a ride, babe. Parang may perya na maliit doon. Pero yung iba, manonood ng fireworks. So, sobrang daming tao. Here. Yung ilong ko pumupula. Dito na kami. You look so good, babe. I have on my lips yung Mocalicious from Wet n Wild.
Show the rotunda.
Sige.
I can't see it.
The what? That one?
No, I can't. Yes, that's it.
I know.
It won't focus.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
It's better in person.
Yeah, mas maganda siya sa personal. Malayo kasi. And then, tingnan nyo guys. So, ito yung nasa harap namin. Yan. Yan yung oval. Diyan yung may naglaro ng cricket kanina. Tapos, sobrang daming tao. Nandito kami sa park. Tapos, kasi dito yung fireworks mamaya. So, yeah. That's the view. Hinihintay namin yung best friend ni Dan tsaka yung asawa niya.
Is this t-shirt is on? You pay someone for that?
Maybe. 10 minutes. Is he going? Watch, babe. Don't worry about my filming. Wow, babe. Come here. Happy New Year, my love. Don't crash. Oops. Happy New Year, guys! So, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta, pero we will go somewhere to get some drinks. And then, yeah. Happy New Year, everyone! Late ko na ma-upload tong vlog na to kasi dami ko pang kailangan i-upload.
I was open tomorrow. We would go.
Ito na yung New Year nila. See, walang katao-tao. Kung sa Pilipinas to, ang daming tao. Pero sabi ni Dan, well, maraming tao doon. Tapos kanina sa fireworks, maraming tao. Pero This is like the city, guys. Ito na yung mall. Rundle Mall, that's where I always go. That's it. Yep, that's it right there. Yan yung lagi kong pinupuntahan dito. And yeah, soon. Sabi ni Dan siguro bukas kapag yeah, meron kaming time pupunta kami sa mall. We'll see. Ano niya, konti lang yung tao kasi inisip ko kapag ito nasa Cebu City, sobrang dami siguro ng tao, but yeah, dito wala masyado. Guys, I will close the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year ulit. Happy New Year, babe. Happy New Year. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Happy New Year. Again, late na ito ma-upload kasi ang dami ko pang vlogs na kailangan i-upload. But yeah, sana na-enjoy na yung New Year nyo. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe.